Hi Icons, good day. I'm Melody Pearl Osorio, your General Mathematics teacher. So last time we discussed about operation, function, composite functions, and problems involving function. Now, our lesson for today is rational expressions, rational functions, graphs, rational equation, and rational inequalities. So we have learning objective. So first, define of rational function, rational inequality, rational equation, define rational expression. 2. Find the domain and range of a given rational function. 3. Evaluate rational expression. 4. Prepare table of values of a given rational function. 5. Simplify the rational expression to its lowest term. 6. Graph a given rational function. 7. Determine the intercepts, zeros, and asymptotes of a rational function. Solution sets of a given rational inequality, the solution of a given rational equation, and the domain of rational expression. 8. Perform operations involving rational inequality, rational equations, and rational expressions. Let's start! So class, bago tayo dumako sa simplification of rational algebraic expressions, ano nga ba ang rational algebraic expression? Define muna natin siya kung ano ba ang rational algebraic expression. Okay, for rational algebraic expression class, it is a ratio of two algebraic expressions. A fraction whose numerators and denominators are algebraic expression, mostly polynomials. An expression is a rational expression if it can be written in the form of P over Q, where P and Q are polynomials and Q not equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin po class, sa rational expression, pwede natin siyang isulat sa numerator na letter P. Then, sa denominator naman po ay letter Q. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, yung P and Q, matatawag po natin siyang polynomials parehas. Pero po, yung ating denominator na letter Q, bawal po siyang ma-equal sa 0. So basically, from the word itself, rational, it denotes ratio. So kapag sinabing ratio or denotes division or meron tayong fraction, ratio, it is the keyword sa algebraic expression class. Meron tayong fraction whose numerators and denominators are algebraic expression. So, alam naman po natin ang algebraic expression, di ba po? So, basically, meron po tayong variables, tapos meron tayong sum or difference of algebraic terms. So, para magkaroon tayo ng algebraic expression, meron tayong variables saka numerator coefficient, mostly polynomials. Kung meron kang rational expression, meron kang division of rationals or fractions. Yung numerator po ay polynomials that like it on example. So, ito po yan, class. Examples, the domain of an expression is the best of values that when substituted into the expression produces a real number. Therefore, the domain of a rational expression must exclude the values that make the denominator 0. So, sa example ko, class, meron tayong 5 over x, 2y plus 1 over y squared minus 4y plus 3. Next, c cubed plus 5 over c minus 4. and a over a plus 10. So kung mapapansin nyo po, yung ating numerator and denominator, polynomials po sila parehas. Then, yung ating denominator, at yan po yung letter Q na nabanggit ko po kanina, kung mapapansin nyo po, hindi po siya nag-equal sa 0. Bagkus may mga numbers and letters po siya. Naka-standard form po ang ating denominator. Okay, another examples. Yung numerator, number 1, yung numerator natin dito ay polynomials or algebraic expression which is involving x and y variable and has 3 terms. Same din po sa ating denominator also and algebraic expression which are polynomials that has 3 terms. Tama po ba? 3 terms po parehas yung ating numerator and denominator. So, ang ating numerator and denominator ay x squared y plus 6x squared y squared plus 3x y. Over naman po sa ating denominator na 4x squared minus 6xy squared plus 5. Next, so number 2 naman po. And we have two variables, x and y. Okay, so same as this. X plus 1 over 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. So, yung ating numerator ay binomial, tapos yung denominator naman po natin ay trinomial. Next, number 3, same as naman po dito. 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. Over po natin sa denominator na x cubed plus 4x squared minus 6x plus 1. So, any fraction used the numerators are mostly polynomials or algebraic expression. Next po, you have a restricted values for variables in rational expressions. Those value of variable that will make the denominator equal to 0. So, alam naman po natin na kapag nag-divide po tayo ng fractions na meron ng 0 na denominator, ito ay undefined. Kunwari po ang ating example ay 4 over 0 and 3 over 0 and so on. So, dito class, bawal po tayo magkaroon ng 0 sa denominator. Kasi tinatawag po natin siyang undefined dito sa ating rational expression. So, ganun din po sa algebraic or rational algebraic expression. So, bawal po maging equal sa 0 yung rational expression dahil kapag nangyari yun po, tinatawag natin siyang not equal or undefined. Okay, next. For example, x plus 4 over x minus 5. Nag-involve tayo ng variable sa denominator. Dapat ang ipapalit natin na value dun sa denominator ay hindi mag-i-equal yung denominator sa 0. So, therefore, 5 is not allowed value for x since when we substitute 5 for x, the denominator will be 0. Since sabi ko nga po kanina, kapag sinubstitute natin ito sa x, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So, therefore, bawal yung value na 5 sa x. So, therefore, must not be equal to b or must not be equal to 5 as a restriction dito sa ating rational expression. Okay, next, we have a fundamental principle of rational expression. So, let P, Q, and R represent polynomials. Then, PR over QR is equal to P over Q for Q not equal to 0 and R not equal to 0. So, kung mapapansin nyo, we have 3 variables here in fundamental principle of rational function. So, yun nga po yung P, Q, and R. Then, plus, kung mapapansin nyo, ang denominator natin, meron tayong Q and R. Nasabi ko po kanina, bawal po ma-equal yung ating denominator sa 0. So, for example, class, simplify the following rational expression number 1. So, ang ating given po para sa numerator ay 2x squared y to the 5th over a x to the 4th y cubed. So, yan po yung ating given. So, solution, 2x squared y to the 5th over 8x to the 4th y cubed is equal to, so dito class, hinati-hati lang po natin yung ating given para po makapag-cancel tayo sa numerator and the denominator. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, yung 2, kinapi ko lang po sa kabilang side. Then, yung ating x squared, ganun din po. Yung tuldok, alam niyo naman po yung tuldok, no? Multiply po yan. X squared, then yung ating y, hinati po natin siya sa dalawa, which is yung y cube at yung y squared. Kaya po, kung mapapansin nyo, yung numerator natin, meron 2 dot x squared dot y cube dot y squared. So, ayan po yun, class. Then, next naman po tayo sa numerator. Hatiin po ulit natin para po makapag-cancel tayo, ha? Then, 4 times 2, di ba? Answer po ay 8. So, hinati po si 8 sa 4 times 2. So, 4 dot 2. Then, yung ganun din po yung ating x to the 4th, hinati po siya sa dalawa. So, dot x squared, dot x squared. Then, yung y po natin, hindi na po natin siya kinat or hindi na po natin siya hinati kasi meron naman po tayong makakancel sa numerator. So now, okay na po, meron na tayong numerator and the denominator. So, i-cancel nyo na po yung nakikita nyo magkapareha sa numerator and denominator, which is yung 2x squared, yung isang x squared, at yung y squared. So, ayun po yung atin. So, ang matitira na lang po ngayon para sa numerator ay y squared at sa denominator naman po ay 4x squared. So, the final answer in the first given ay y squared over 4x squared. Next, number 2 naman po. So, number 2 naman po, same process din po yung ating gagawin. Yun nga lang po, meron tayong ginawang standard form po dito kasi po yung ating given ay 2x cubed. Okay, so ang given po natin para sa numerator ay 2x cubed plus 12x plus 16x over 6x plus 24. So now, paano nga po ba natin hahatiin yan at paano nga po ba tayo makakapag-cancel? Okay, so yung ating 2x cubed yung ating 2x cubed ay finactor po natin siya sa x squared plus 6x plus 8. Bakit po? So, ulitin po natin sa given. Kailangan parehas po yung nasa given. So, 2x times x squared, di ba po ang answer ay 2x cubed. Another, 2x times 6x, ang sagot po ay 12x. Another, 2x times 8, ang sagot po ay 16x. So, same lang din po sa ating numerator dun sa ating pinaka-given. Next, another naman po para sa denominator. So, 6x plus 24 po yan. Tama po ba? So, ang gawin po natin, 6 times x, ang sagot po ay 6x. So, tama po yung nasa given natin. Then, yung 6 times 4, ang sagot po ay 24. So, ibig sabihin, tama rin po yung nasa denominator natin para sa given. So, yan na po yung gagamitin natin para sa fundamental principles of rational expression. So, now, kung kanina hinati-hati natin yan, ganun din po ang gagawin natin. So, yung 2x, hinati po natin siya sa 2 and x. Then, yung ating x squared plus 6x plus 8, ginawa po natin siyang factor. O, finactor po natin yung x squared plus 6x plus 8. Kaya po nakuha si x plus 4 dot x plus 2. Kasi, para po makapag-cancel tayo. Then, ganun din po sa ating numerator. So, 6. So, 2 times 3, di ba? Ang sagot po ay 6. Then, yung x plus 4, hindi na po natin siya finactor dahil naka-factor naman po siya. Ang kailangan lang po natin i-factor ay yung nasa numerator para po makuha natin yung dapat nating makuha at i-cancel. Okay, so now, dahil meron na po tayong 2.x, that x plus 4 that x plus 2 over 2 that 3 that x plus 4. So now, paki-cancel na po lahat ng makikita nyong kaparehas sa numerator and denominator. So ang tatanggalin po natin dyan ay yung 2x plus 4 para po sa numerator. Then, ganun din po sa ating denominator na 2 at x plus 4. So, ang matitira, yun po yung pinaka-final answer natin sa given ng 2. So, ang answer natin ay x times x plus 2 over 3. So, that's the final answer in example number 2. Okay, class, let's answer at home, then send to me via Moodle or Messenger this try now. Okay, class, thank you for watching and thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. Keep safe, God bless, and bye!